In this video, we're going to explore the contents of Module 4 Strings, which you should have already downloaded, and you can see these notebooks over there. I'm just going to go ahead right into launching our Jupyter Notebook from our terminal or Anaconda prompt. And we'll navigate into our Dunder Data Courses folder, then Python Fundamentals, and now Module 04 Strings. So as usual, the notes and the videos will begin from this notes notebook. So I can go ahead and open that up. And you'll see how the videos begin from here. And then if you want to, and I highly advise doing this, to read all the formal material, it will be in this strings notebook. So that's where you'll get everything that there is to cover. So go ahead and use that. Then for the exercises, you'll find them in the project notebook, and then the solutions over here. Again, don't look at the solutions until you have attempted the ones in the project. All right, so that's it. We'll be starting in this notes notebook.